everyone, and welcome to our Greensboro project. So we're here at our Greensboro job. We are redoing our client's ensuite in here. So the floor plan works for them, so we're not adjusting placement of anything. We're just giving it a bit of a revamp and a bit more personality. So we're going for a coastal, boho, beachy sort of theme. We're doing a beautiful solid oak rattan vanity back here, freestanding bath, shower in the same location with a blue tile and brass accents, which will be very fun. So we're just checking in. We've had all our tiling go in, our beautiful vanity, which I'm most excited about. Plumbing fit off has been completed, electrical's all done. Just got a couple of basins and tapware to chuck in here. As you can see, we've got a beautiful new bath, which is a bit more in proportion with the rest of the room. And we're nearly there, so it's very exciting. So within the space, we wanted a definite hero piece for the room, which I definitely think is this large and in charge timber vanity that we've got going on here. We've got a beautiful shaker profile to house the rattan that we've got in the center, which just provides a nice texture and warmth for the space. So a key consideration in the design was retaining our client's existing window. So when it comes to placing the tapware for the bath, it meant we had to get a bit clever with where we're going to put it. So we went for this freestanding unit, which has quite a nice architectural designer look to it. Another key aspect for our clients was to have a nice generous shower, because their previous one was just too small, wasn't working. So we've gone for this beautiful walk-in shower, and to make life easier, we went for a large scale 6x6 tile for easy cleaning, and as well as having one pane of glass, so you only have to worry about keeping one surface polished and clean. So that wraps up our Greensboro job. We were able to take an outdated drab space and turn it into a beautiful retreat for our beautiful clients.